Now don't be pulling me through this mud. Barkley, I said don't. Lucy followed Barkley. He wants to go down there this time. Let's go down here, Lucy. That bird feeder I found in the garage. Yeah, I thought we didn't have. I put that in here by the pine trees. They said the birds like the feeders near trees and bushes, and that way they're protected. So, and that one got empty pretty quick. I filled it up today. You can see a birdie on it now. Yeah, I can't wait for you to food now. Cardinal usually get the seeds off the ground. They're like